Okay, Mo, here's your video of the hillbilly truck mount setup here. Probably the most jerry-rigged truck mount on the planet, but this is how it works. In the back of the van here, I've got my truck mount, the 23 horse motor with the blower, and that's all it is. And that goes into the waste tank, and that's my vacuum. For pressure, for heat, obviously the Little Giant. The pressure is operated from that electric pressure washer right there, 1400 psi from Walmart, $85. And that's gravity fed with my solution tank right here. That's the line right there, just gravity feeds the pressure washer with my water. And that the line on top there is the pressure coming out, okay, and that comes into the Little Giant heater under pressure, 1400 psi. It's regulated right here before it hits the heater, so I don't blow up my heater, and I can get any pressure I want, all the way up to 600. That's the max for the heater. So I just dial it in right there. And how this works, it's got like a bypass deal here. This is just an open end fitting that screws into the back of the regulator. And so what happens, say I set this on 300 psi, the additional pressure, because the pressure washer has to run 1400 psi. So what happens is it regulates it to where I get 300 psi on my line here. The additional pressure that's not being used is being bypassed right back into the fresh water tank, so it doesn't burn up the pump. And I've used this little pressure washer for almost a year now, and it's worked flawlessly for me. I did when I bought this, I bought two of them because I wasn't sure how long it would last. But it's been running for almost a year, and if I did have to replace it, all I got to do is unscrew those two lines, put the new washer in there, screw them back in, and I'm ready to go. $85. That right there eliminates all of the complexity that goes along with having a pump and heat exchanger on your truck mount. So really all you have to do is couple your engine and your blower together. You've got your vacuum, you've already got your heater. You just need to rig up a regulator. So I mean, it's just a regulator here. Then you've got your fitting here that's it's open. You screw in an open end fitting, bypass into your fresh water tank. Your line comes in here, so you need a fitting here to receive your pressure line. And then also to here, and then the gauge just goes in between your pressure line, and I've got a male quick connect screwed into it here, and it just connects right into my heater. So that's all it is. I've got to thank our friend Charlie from Spokane. He came up with all these parts that I needed to fit this. He tracked them down for me, and he really helped me out in getting the right parts. So thank you, Charlie. This thing here has just been working great for me. So that might, hopefully that'll help you with some ideas if you want to go simple. You can't really get any more simple than this. As long as you keep your engine running and your blower lubed up, I mean, there's nothing that's going to go wrong. And if something did go wrong, $85 and about 3 minutes, and you're back in business with your pressure pump. And what I've done here is I've got one of these hose hanger deals, and I've got a 50-foot cord here, and that's hooked up already. I don't know if you can see that. It's plugged into my pressure washer cord, so I think that's a 20-foot cord. So I have about 70 feet of cord here. That's all you need. You just plug into the closest outlet, and it takes nothing to take this off and run that into a plug. And when you're done, you just put it back on. Because it's all hooked up live here, you just unroll as much as you need. Very easy, very simple. Won't blow any circuits. I've ran the rotovac, an air mover, and the pump all on the same 15 amp outlet, and I've not blown a circuit. So that's all there is to it, my friend. Good luck with your project. Thanks.